Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to lock your Facebook profile. For your information, the new Facebook update has no lock profile, but here's some ways to keep your profile locked or private. First, go to your Facebook app and click the three lines at the bottom right corner. Click Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Privacy Checkup. There's a lot of category, but first, click the Who Can See What You Share. This includes profile information, posts and stories, and blocking. Click Continue. Make sure that all of your info are set to only me or friends of friends, cause if you set it in public, every info about you will be known by everyone. Once you're done, click Next. In here, it includes posts and stories. Make sure that it sets as to friends. You can also limit your posts here. Once you're done, click Next. The next one is blocking people. If you want to block someone, you add it in here. Then, click Next. So now, we're finished on our first category, then we should proceed to another one. Click Review Another Topic. Click How to Keep Your Account Secure. In here, it includes and check if your password is okay and it alerts you if someone logged in your account to another device. Click Review. Facebook will ask if your password is private. If it's okay, then you can click Skip. The next one is Control Alerts. Make sure that it's all turned on. If someone tries to hack and log in your account, it will notify you and send you an email. It's important because we can prevent hacking. Once you're done, click Next. If you're all set, then click Review Another Topic. Click How People Can Find You on Facebook. This includes friend requests, phone number, email, and also search engines. Click Continue. In friend request, you set it in friends of friends so that we can limit the people who will add you on Facebook. Once you're done, click Next. In here, it's phone number and email. Just set it in friends so that the other people will not see your information. If you're done, click Next. Here, it is for search engines. Make sure that it's turned off so that the other people will not find or search you outside the Facebook, like in Google. Once you're done, click Next, and if you're all set, then click Review Another Topic. You can go back to Privacy Shortcut and click See More Privacy Settings. You can see the category Your Activity. Just set it all into friends only and it will keep your profile private and it's same as a locked profile. And that's it. That's how you lock your Facebook profile. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.